How can you pre-order the Samsung S24 series, whether you like the S24, the S24 Plus, or the S24 Ultra? Yes, there are quite some few confusing things about pre-ordering the Samsung S24 series, especially the region, the location, and the offers that is going out in different places. So if you really want to know about this, come with me. Let me explain. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I'm so excited to have you on this one. The Samsung S24 series is here already. As a matter of fact, everything has been leaked, even the retail box, people opening it, unboxing it, and even the seller already selling the S24 series. And in the midst of all that, I have a problem with Samsung when it comes to the S24 Ultra, because from every possible leak, barring last minute surprises, all the things that we have about the S24 Ultra is that it's coming with a 12 gig RAM. I did a video about that. You can watch it at the end of this one. But let's go about even the more confusing thing about pre-ordering the S24 Ultra. So first of all, if you go to Samsung.com, whichever region of the world you are coming from, you will get the option to reserve your $50 credit that you can use to purchase Samsung products when you or discount when you pre-order for the S24 series. Now that reserve $50 credit can go up to $150 in terms of offers that will be given to you, but it expires today, which is the 16th of January 2024 by 11:59 p.m. East Central Time. So make sure you get that offer if you are interested to get the Samsung S24 series. Now going forward, the launch event is in New York tomorrow 17th, and it is 6 p.m. GMT. You can figure that out with your time zone. So it's a global launch event, but the pre-order cannot happen to every country. As a matter of fact, there is nothing. I searched everywhere. There's nothing about Africa, any country in Africa, pre-ordering that same day, even though you can also reserve your $50 credit. Now for Europe, of course, the UK, there is in the UK and many European countries where you can pre-order that day. For the UK, they are giving everybody, whether you are pre-ordering the S24, the S24 Plus or Ultra, they are giving the free watch, Samsung Watch 6. In the US, it's a little bit confusing what they will give, depending on the carrier or Samsung online. Samsung will definitely give you up to $50 credit or discount to purchase other goods, or you put it on your Samsung S24 purchases. That discount and bonuses can go up to $150. We have rumors that they're going to give earbuds in the US, and some will get watches, but it's not unified. For UK, it is unified. Of course, the pre-order is available in Canada. It's available in Asian countries, South Korea. It's available in India. Indian pre-order, you have to pre-register with about 2,000 rands. So it's available in different countries. But let me hear from you in the comment section if it's available in your country and if you have reached out to Samsung and you want to buy. So if you're not, what happens if you're not in any country that is available and you still want to pre-order? Well, what you have to do is you probably have to, look for, shipping agents that can ship from the country that you can pre-order, like the UK, the US, and some other European countries, and then be able to ship to your own country. So you can, pre-order with such addresses, and those agencies could help you ship to your country. So that's that. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Will you pre-order the Samsung S24 Ultra? I am still waiting for the launch event, because the pre-order opens after the launch event, which is tomorrow, 17th January 2024. So I'm waiting for that launch event to know the unveiling, whether there will be option for 16 gig RAM for the S24 Ultra. If I'm not getting 16 gig from Samsung, of course, there is OnePlus, there is Rogue Phone, there are other people who are giving 16 gig, way cheaper than Samsung, and giving you even better performance in some cases, like some of the gaming phones, and better cooling system. So let me hear from you. Is it really, really nice of Samsung to not give that 16 gig? Okay, you can check that video out here. And then some other videos I've also made. And make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell icon. Until I see you in the next one. It is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.
body's higher and higher.